Kitty. Okay, I want to show you how to do the different types of integration, and it's really important that you follow the steps so that it looks like you want to. So if you want to integrate individual assignments, I'm going to show you that. So this is my Canvas page. What you'll do first is go to Settings, and then you go to Navigation and find the Cengage tab down here and just move it up so that it comes into your Navigation tab, and then you'd say Save. So now I have my Cengage tab here. So the first thing you need to do is search your book. So you can search by author. I'm just picking one for fun, so I'm going to take this one here. For just if I'm not sure if you're macro or micro. Anyway, I'm taking this one here, and this is going to move the book over into my account. Now you'd said you wanted to do deep linking, which means you pull individual assignments over, and then each assignment will link into the gradebook in its own column. So from this page, what you would do is you could say copy from an existing course. So if you have a course in your instructor account that's MindTap that you've already created, you could do that. For instance, if you're copying one from the spring, or link to an existing course, meaning the same kind of thing. You're either copying it or linking an existing course. For now, I'm just going to say create a new course because I want to show you that method. I'm just going to say MindTap Econ. You give it a start date and then an end date, whatever that is. This is just a generic. And then I'm going to say continue. Now, if I want to just have one link in MindTap or in Canvas where students go to MindTap, here on this page, as soon as it comes up, thinking is where I'm going to say I want to synchronize individual activity scores, because now I'm going to pull over the individual assignment. So I'll copy that and go to continue and then continue again. Now what I'm going to do is here's my MindTap. I do have my MindTap link for students to get into. That would take them into the registration process for MindTap. So you could rename that registration, MindTap, etc. But now I want to link everything. So I'm going to go to Cengage again. And then my book is already here. Now it's going to show me from whatever course I already selected, it's going to give me the individual assignment. If it's a graded assignment, you're going to have the gradebook tab next to it here, add to gradebook. So if it's an assignment that has a gradebook or counts towards grade, you're going to have the ability to create a gradebook column in Canvas. So for instance, I'm going to put the getting started. I'm going to put this, the video tutorial, and then I'm going to just put, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say chapter 1. Let's see. I can do any of these. Let's just say this one here. So I'm just hypothetically saying that these are the ones I want, right? So I'm going to work down this way. I want this this one as well, chapter 2. So I'm just pulling over what I want. I always encourage you just to, because there's so many activities, just pull over a small handful at a time. So I've done that, and I will say confirm, and confirm again, save. And then what I've done is I've actually linked now the individual assignments to this. So here's my individual assignments in Canvas now. Those are from MindTap. So when students click on those, they will be taken to the individual assignments as long as they're published. You want to make sure that they're published. Another thing you want to make sure you do is after you're done linking all of your assignments, you want to go back to the Cengage tab, and then at the very bottom here, you want to add the Cengage Unlimited Student Dashboard and the tech support link. Confirm those and add those, because that will give students the ability then to get any other classes that are using Cengage right through Canvas. So that's important as well. So at any rate, that's how you do the individual linking. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you want me to take a look at Canvas your own after you've done it, you can send me your username and password for Canvas and I can take a look. Okay, let me know what questions you have.